Hi, this is Mr. Mullaney. Today we're talking about the Kansas-Nebraska Act. Kansas-Nebraska Act, what is that? So in 1854, a senator named Stephen Douglas proposes that they allow what's called popular sovereignty in the Kansas, so this would be the Kansas Territory, and the Nebraska Territory. As these two territories apply for statehood, he says that the inhabitants of each territory should have a vote about whether they'll be free or whether they'll be slave. And that's called popular sovereignty, having an open ballot to decide free or slave, popular sovereignty. Douglas is always associated with popular sovereignty, although it was actually the concept of Lewis Cass, who was the Democratic nominee in 1848, who lost. Okay, anyway, why is that so controversial? Let the voters decide. Well, beyond the whole slavery thing, this here, what I'm scrolling on right now, is the southern boundary of Missouri. And that was agreed in the Compromise of 1820. That was agreed to be slavery's border, so that other than Missouri, north of it, no other Louisiana Purchase states could be slave states. What the Kansas-Nebraska Act does is it opens these two possible states to potentially being slave states, which the Compromise of 1820 had specifically banned. So that was very, very controversial. And the North said, for 34 years, we've used the Missouri Compromise line. Why can't we still use it? And it was very, very upsetting and controversial to people in the North. So that is the Kansas-Nebraska Act.